to?
The other lead have the helping verb have.
Very good. Have to come. The other lead has to come after the verb has, actually. Very good, Mazen. So otherwise, it's going to be the second conjugation of the verb. As I told you before, as we studied before, the participle form of the verb should follow what? Should follow a helping verb, whether it is a past or present participle or a past participle form of the verb. All right. So the verb run has how many changes? The verb run?
3.
2. No, only 2. This is number 1, this is number 2. Because this is the base form of the verb. We can't consider this a change, Mazen. All right? So I'm talking about the changes, not the forms. It has 3 forms, actually. All verbs has like 5 forms, not only 3 forms. But here we're talking about the changes. The vowel change. The vowels change twice. All right? Okay, so does everybody understand? Does everybody understand, boys?
Yes.
Can I move to the next slide? Thank you, Abdullah Al-Gabni. I'm going to have to move to Abdullah Al-Anazi. Abdullah Habibi, can you read the second case of irregular verbs?
Other irregular verbs form the past and past participle by changing consonant.
Consonants. So how do we form the past and past participle? We change the consonants. So in case 1, we change it only the vowel. In case 2 here, we change the consonant. Can you give us example, Abdullah?
Base form, bent.
Very good.
Bent.
Yes, very good.
Have, bent.
Very good. Have or has or had, bent, sorry. So what has been changed here? Is it the vowel in the middle or the consonant in the end of the consonant? Can somebody remind me, Abdullah, I'm going to ask you this question, Abdullah. Can you remind me what are consonants and what are vowels? So because we mentioned 2 things here. We mentioned vowels, or we spoke about vowels. And now we are going to speak about consonants. Right? So what are the vowels?
The vowels, the words that come...
Very good. Not words, actually they are sounds rather than words. These are sounds. The vowel sounds, yeah. What are they? They are like harakat in Arabic. You know harakat fatha damma kasra?
Yeah.
They are like harakat in Arabic. And these letters are O.
Like E.
E, very good. Yeah.
A.
A, very good. I. Okay, and the U only if it is pronounced ah or o. Ah or o. But if it is pronounced U, like it says its name in the alphabet, it's not a vowel. All right, because we're talking about sounds rather than letters, right? So you must all remember this kind of growing here. These are the vowel O, and we have A, and here we have E, and here we have I, and here we have the U. And these are the vowel only if they are pronounced like Fatha Damma Kasra in Arabic. For example, let me give you an example here. For example, let's study this word. Does it start with a vowel or a consonant? House.
With the consonant.
Very good. It starts with a consonant because we're talking about sound. But how about this word? Does it start with a vowel or a consonant?
Consonant.
No, it's actually a vowel. Because how do we pronounce it? We pronounce it as awa.
Oh.
So we drop the H, and we start with the fatha, something like fatha, awa.
Yes.
All right, awa and awa. That's why we say a house. We say a house, but we say an awa. Do you understand, Abdullah?
Yes.
Similarly, we have the same trick with the letter U. So, for example, if we are talking about umbrella, so does it start with a vowel or a consonant?
With the vowel.
Very good. That's why we say an umbrella. Right?
Yes.
How about this word, unit? Or, yeah, unit.
It's a vowel.
No, it starts with a consonant because it sounds like yeah, unit. I didn't say or oh. Right? So that's why we say a unit. You got it, boys? Do you understand,
Yes.
or do you want me more clarification about this, more elaboration? So, for example, the word university. Is it a university or an university? Gentlemen, the question is for everyone.
Yes, what's the question?
Do I say a university or an university? Yes, Muhammad Arif, you were saying?
Not an.
Excellent. Why Hamoudi Habib?
Because the U pronounced
As a yeah. As a yeah. It's not pronounced as a vowel, actually. It's pronounced as a consonant. All right? So, in a nutshell, so the vowels are something like harakat in Arabic, something like fatha, something like dhamma, something like kasra. So something like fatha, something like dhamma, and something like kasra. All right, I can't do the this in English here. All right, it doesn't work here. Anyway, so okay, do you understand? So consonants are all the other letters other than
Vowel.
other than vowels. All other letters other than vowel. Sorry, I apologize. I made a terrible mistake. Or the other sounds other than, because we're not talking about, remember, we're not talking about letters. We're talking about sounds other than the vowels. All right, boys? So here, the change is on the consonant level rather than the vowel level here. All right, gentlemen? So like bend, what have we changed, Abdullah? Have we changed the middle vowel E or eh actually? Or we changed the consonant Z?
The consonant.
What have we changed it into?
Into T.
Very good, into a T. Excellent, Abdullah. Another example here is actually the verb build, for example. Build, yeah. Build. What happened to the verb build here, Abdullah?
We changed the consonant.
Very good. How many changes has this verb undergone? How many changes had this verb undergone?
2.
Two changes? This is the base form. Forget about this. I'm talking about the changes, not the forms. It changed once here. We changed the T. But have we made any other changes here? No. So the verb changed once. Very good. It changed once. But my question, as I asked Mazen this question before, what's the difference then if I have built and here's built? What's the difference between this built and this built?
The other built in the right, it's had come after it have.
Allah alaik. Yes, very good. So if we might use the Arabic translation, here, all right. So who can translate this verb? What's the difference between, for example, my father is a contractor. He builds houses. My father built a house last year. My father has built a lot of houses.
The tenses.
Yes, very good, Muhammad Rafa. Would you like me to write these examples? Okay, so the examples are, again, my father is a contractor, right? My father builds houses. right? Because he's a contractor. All right. Okay. My father, he, start with the capital letter, he built a house last, or he built, for example, a house. It's okay. Last year. And here, the third example, he has built a lot of houses. All right. So if somebody can give me a translation, an Arabic translation, before you tell me the rules behind this, or the grammar rationale behind this. Can somebody translate these sentences for me?
Yes.
Yes.
بابايا يبني بيوت.
Yes. Very good. أبي يبني البيوت. Yeah, very good.
Yes.
Or أبوي بيبني بيوت. بيبني, generally speaking, right?
Yes.
Because he's a builder. He's a contractor.
Yes.
Right? So how about the second one?
هو بنى بيت السنة اللي راحت.
Very good. هو بنى بيت السنة اللي راحت. يعني هو already بناه وحددت متى. When did he build this house?
Last year.
Last year. Very good. How about the third one?
هو بنى بيوت كثير.
Yes, but I'm gonna borrow. That's why I'm giving you this example, because in the Saudi dialect of Arabic, there is a wonderful word which expresses, or a helping verb actually, or a verb that, or a modal. What do you call it? I don't know what do you call it, but it's a functional verb. It's a verb that does a function rather than gives a meaning. Do you guys are you guys familiar with the word gid? For example, I say here, أبوي جد بنى بيوت كثير.
Yes.
Yes.
So this has is actually gid. This has is actually gid. So is there somebody who has thought about this article or verb or whatever you call it, gid, before, and when we use it? For example, if I say أنا زرت جدة. أنا زرت جدة السنة اللي راحت. Can I say أنا قد زرت جدة السنة اللي راحت?
Yes, when someone asks you,
Yeah.
yeah, you say it. أنا قد صرت.
أنا قد صار لي كذا. But can I say, for example, الأسبوع اللي راح أو السنة اللي راحت? No. If you taste it, yeah, if you try to some examples, you will find it a bit awkward, right? So normally we say أنا قد شفت أسد. أنا قد سويت كذا. أنا قد رحت الجدة. أنا قد سافرت لندن. أنا قد درست الدرس هذا قبل. أنا قد yeah? Do you agree with me, boys?
Yes.
Yeah. So I hear only one person saying yes. How about the other lads?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes. Yes.
Have you got the point? Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I may continue with the Arabic here. If I may continue with the Arabic here, for example, this sentence in Arabic, I am looking for a space. Okay, I'm gonna write in this space. Okay, if I continue here, أنا أو أبي قد بنى بيوت كثيرة. I'm gonna give you a choice here. Should I say قبل or العام الماضي? Which one should go better here? Should I say أبي قد بنى بيوت كثيرة قبل or أبي قد بنى بيوت كثيرة العام الماضي? Which suits this context? محمد العارف, are you sure?
I think so, because if you want to use قبل, you can use من قبل.
Okay, or قبل or من قبل. Okay, I'm talking about عامية here. I'm not talking about Arabic. Okay, let's say من قبل. So which
okay.
one should go better? with
من قبل.
أبي جد بنى.
من قبل.
Yes, very good. What about if I removed gid?
العام الماضي.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Have you got the difference between this and this? When we talk about have built, has built, we're talking about قبل, before now, and that's it. We haven't specified, we are talking about before or by now. Of course, you know that by now is equal to before now, right, boys?
Yes.
So by now, oh, sorry, I apologize. By now, or actually before. So I can say my father has built a lot of houses before, right? But here, I'm talking about last year. Here, I specified when. I specified exactly when. All right, we are going to talk about inshallah, because I've been asked by some of you to continue with the grammar lesson, because some of you find the grammar lessons more helpful for the now at this stage. All right. Okay, so maybe inshallah we're going to study the tenses in details, inshallah. Anyway, so we were talking about. Sorry, let me take you back to the lessons, our lesson here. So here the verb make Abdullah. I'm going to move to after Abdullah. I have Mazen. Mazen Habibi.
Yes.
Yes, Mazen Habibi. So let's move on to the next example. Have we said hello to Muhammad Rafa? Have we welcomed Muhammad Rafa yet?
No.
Sorry, Muhammad Rafa. Good afternoon, love. I apologize because we were in the middle of something interesting. Muhammad Rafa, I don't think he can talk to us. Okay, so let's move to Mazen again. Yes, Mazen Habibi.
Yes.
How about the verb make? What happened to the verb make, and how many changes has it undergone, and the changes have been on the consonant level or the vowel level? Too many questions,
we have
right?
only one change. Yes.
Yeah, very
we have
good.
only one change.
Yes, very good.
Constant K. It came D.
It has been changed into D. Very good. It has been turned into D. Very good. And here also made. And I am sure you know the difference between this made, the second conjugation, which is the second conjugation of the verb, and this made, which is the past participle or the participle form of the verb, or the third conjugation. All right. Yes, Mazen. How about the verb send?
Yes. Send. Also, you have one.
Likewise. The
Yes.
same process, the same
Yes.
changes. Very good. And similarly, the verb spend, spent. Very good, Mazen. Thank you. All right. So I'm going to move on to Muhammad Rafa. Muhammad Rafa, can you speak to us? Muhammad Rafa. Then I'm going to have to move to my dear boy, Dr. Muhammad Arif. Dr. Muhammad. So we are talking about the third case in which we can drive the conjugation or conjugate the verb, which is
Some irregular verbs form the past and past participle by changing both vowels and consonant.
So we talked about only vowel, like sing, sang, sung. We talked about only consonant, build, built, built. And now we're going to talk about both a vowel and consonant. And a famous example, a very famous example is the verb, Muhammad?
Fly, flew, have flown.
Excellent. So what happened to the verb here, Muhammad?
Changed a consonant
And
add vowel.
Very good. I love you. Very good. Another example is, can you give me other examples?
Catch, caught, have caught.
Very good.
Choose, chose, have chosen.
Excellent.
Do,
We
did,
had it in here, yeah.
have done.
Very good. Have or has or had done. Very good.
Go, went, have gone.
So what happened in all these examples? We change it both
we
vowels.
both vowels and consonants.
Excellent, excellent, Hamoudi Habibi. I love you, man. Very good. Let's move on to my dear boy, Tamim. Tamim?
Yes.
Tamim? Yes, Habibi. The fourth case of changing, of the changes that the verbs might undergo is that, can you read for us?
A few irregular verbs make no change at all.
So you don't change
Their past
anything.
and past
Very good, very good. A very famous example is the verb set, set, have or has or had set. What happened? Had the verb witnessed any changes? Any changes? Were there any changes which were applied to the verb?
No.
No. Very good. So, but why do we consider if the verb hasn't changed at all? Why do we consider it irregular? Because it doesn't follow the rule. What does the rule say? We add ed or d to the end of the verb, right? And that's why it's irregular, because it doesn't follow the rule. All right. Other verbs are, Tamim?
Burst, cut, hit,
Burst, 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 cut, 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 hit, hit, hit. Very good. Let, let. And of course, set, set, set. All right. And cast, cast, cast. And there are other examples. Okay. Let's go straight to the practice. Abdullah Al-Ainazi. Can you read and answer number 1, please?
Yes.
Yeah. What are we supposed to do to answer this question?
Give the correct past or past participle form of each verb in the
Parentheses. Yeah, these are the parentheses. You see, 1, 2 parentheses here.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. So can you read the first example?
Paul drink a quart of water before the race.
Yes, very good. So do we need the second conjugation or the past form of the verb, or we need the past participle? And why, of course?
I think Paul drinks a quart of water before the race.
No, but we need to put it in the past or past participle, Abdullah. Your sentence is okay. Your sentence is okay because it depends on the context. But the question requires us to use either the past or the past participle. But that doesn't mean your sentence is wrong. So if we say drinks, yeah, it's absolutely right. But this is not actually what the question requires us to do here. All right,
Or
Abdullah?
drunk.
Yes, very good. Drank. Why haven't you chosen drunk? You said drank, and you are absolutely right. Why haven't you chosen drunk?
Drunk
Comes after.
like
Yeah, it comes after a helping verb. Right?
yes.
Yeah, it should be preceded by have or has or had. Am I right?
Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
Aboudi. Next, I'm going to move to my dear boy, Abdullah Al-Garni.
Yes.
Yes, Aboudi.
We have spent
Wow.
$10 so far.
Excellent, excellent. Very good, Abdullah. We have spent, very good. But my question is, Abdullah, because actually the verb spent in the second conjugation is similar to the third conjugation. So my question is, which spent is this? The second conjugation or the third conjugation? Is it the past form or the past participle form?
The past participle,
Yes, very good. How did you know?
because we have before.
I love you. I love you, Abdullah. Excellent. Wallahi innak ra'i'. I told you. I really commend you. Very good. Yeah. And I have to apologize time and again for not knowing that you are that amazing before, of course, online classes. And this is one of the privileges of online classes that I got to know you better, Abdullah. Thank you. Let's move to number 3. Next to Abdullah is Mazen.
Yes.
Mazen Habibi.
Yes, the class catch tadpoles for the aquarium.
Aquarium. Yeah, very good. So
Aquarium.
remember, we are talking about past. We are talking about either past or past participle, either second conjugation or the third conjugation. Past, like second conjugation, and here it's like third conjugation. Yes, Mazen Habibi.
Yes, it will be the class code tadpoles for the aquarium.
Excellent, Habibi Mazen. Which conjugation is this? Which form of the verb are you
Second.
using here? The second one. Why?
Because we doesn't have or has
A helping verb. Very
Yes.
good. The required helping verb for the
Mister,
third.
what the word aquarium mean?
Aquarium is it's like a big fish tank, you know, where you can go and see fish and stuff.
Ah,
Yeah, it's like something like that. All right. Number 3. Let's move to number 4. Muhammad Rafa. Muhammad Rafa. Okay, Muhammad Arif.
Yes. Number 4.
Sorry guys, I apologize. Yes, Muhammad Rafa. Number 4, love.
Before she scored the home run, Janice had hit the ball twice.
Excellent, Habibi. So Janet actually had hit
No changes at all.
no changes. Very good. Yeah, the same form because hit. You remember it? What did we say about the verb hit? It does it does have no changes.
change.
All right. So because as we said before, the verb hit, and even the third conjugation is hit. Okay, boys. So any question before we move on?
No.
Are you sure? Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to the exercise. I'm gonna move to Tamim. Tamim Habibi. Tamim?
Yeah.
Yes, Habibi. Yes. Yes, can you read and answer number 1? The same question, by the way. We are talking about the past or the past participle. We are not talking about the first conjugation or the present simple. All right? Yeah. So the winner
crossed the finish line.
Yeah, very good.
Run.
Do you remember the conjugation of the verb? The conjugation of the verb run. We said run. Second conjugation is ran, and the third conjugation is run. So which one are you gonna go for? Run, ran, run.
Run.
Excellent, excellent, Habibi. Because why haven't I chosen this run? Past participle. Because this run actually has to come after what? This run actually has to come after what? After have or has or had.
Yeah.
Right? Very good. Okay, Tamim Habibi. Lovely. Let's go all the way up to Abdullah Al-Anazi again. Abdullah Habibi.
Yes, Mister.
Can you read and answer number 2?
Yes.
Yes, I think we exceeded the assigned time. But bear with me, boys. We're gonna have to finish this exercise quickly because inshallah tomorrow we're gonna study a new lesson, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Richard.
Richard has an amazing dinner for us.
Yeah. So Richard has an amazing dinner for us. Do you remember the conjugation of the verb make? So we have make. The second conjugation is made, and the third conjugation is also made. Which one are you going to go for, Abdullah?
Made.
Which one? The second one or the
Uh,
third one?
No, the third one.
I love you. I love you, Aboudi Habibi. Very good. So let's go to Abdullah Al-Gabni quickly. Abdullah Habibi.
Yes.
Yes, their pipes in the, yeah.
Their pipes blast in the freezing temperature.
Burst.
Yes.
So, do you remember the conjugation of this verb?
I think it's blast.
Burst. Yes, very good. Similar. Very good. The same, because it has no change. Burst. Very good. But there is another conjugation, boys, which is bursted. I think there's bursted also. It can be irregular or regular. Let me check. Sorry, I apologize. Let me quickly check if my information is right or not. Are you still with me?
Yes.
Okay, so meanwhile, I'm gonna ask who's next to Abdullah. Mazen.
Yes,
Can you read and answer the next question, Mazen?
Yes, we all went to the parking lot during the fire drill.
Yes, very good. So,
It will be when.
Went. Why, Mazen?
Yes,
Why, Mazen?
because
Why?
it's past, not past participle, because there is no helping verb before it.
Sorry, guys. Yeah, it has only one type of conjugation, which is burst. It has no regular form. I apologize for the wrong information. Okay, so we all went to the parking because it doesn't have or has or had here. All right. After Mazen, Muhammad Arif.
Yes.
Yeah. What else could you have?
What else could you have done?
Excellent, Habib Hamoudi. Thank you, gentlemen. Do you have a question before I leave you?
No, thanks.
No, thank you.
No, Mr. Thank you.
Can you read the class before you leave, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Muhammad Arif. Muhammad Al-Rafa. I think Muhammad Al-Rafa has signed in and he doesn't participate. I don't wonder why. Okay, thank you, gentlemen. See you tomorrow, inshallah, same time. We are going to have a new lesson. Do you suggest a specific grammar rule, or would you like me to choose for you? Because I'm going to choose subject-verb agreement.
Yes, it's good.
Okay. See you guys. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Okay.
Thank you, Mr.